Welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you some seamless paper backdrops. I ordered them off of Savage Universal. I've never used them before, so I usually get my paper backdrops from like a local camera shop, but they're like really overpriced. And when I went on this website, I saw their quality and I saw how much it cost, and I was like, oh, that's really affordable, so I wanted to get a couple. This is not sponsored by any means. I bought it with my own money, and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. I bought 4 different colors, and I'll show you what they look like, and then I'll also insert what they look like through the camera. I may or may not put some pictures in here. I'm not really sure. We'll just see how this goes. But yeah, so I was Black Friday shopping, and then when I was looking, I was kind of going around on like photography equipment, and they weren't on sale, but I still was like, why not? I'm already buying stuff, so it just kind of added to the packages coming in, and I was so excited about that. But yeah, so just keep watching and I will show you what these packages look like. Okay, so I am about to unbox these. I'm going to start off with these little ones first. So there you can see, this is 29 inches, I believe. So let's see, I forgot what colors I ordered, so it'll be a surprise for both of us. So this is sky blue. And I'm going to put this on the backdrop for you to see. It is a little bit smaller. So the only thing about this, kind of like if you're looking through it, you would definitely have to bring the camera a little bit closer. But I just kind of wanted to do this for like just some little side pieces. I wanted to start layering my paper backdrops for different fashion shoots and whatnot. So this was more so just to like add a little bit of depth more than anything. Not necessarily, but honestly, if I wanted to, I could cut this and just roll it this way, and it would probably cover a pretty good amount as well. So there's one color. Again, that is sky blue, and in person it's more kind of like a gray. I feel like it's not really showing up that color on the camera, but it really is more of a gray blue, and I really like it. That's actually the color I wanted to paint my sunroom, but then I got gung-ho and I did an ocean blue instead, and I still hate myself for it. So on to the next one. So again, I believe this one, I want to say maybe they're 26 inches. They're either 26 or 29. I really can't remember. Don't quote me on that. I think it's 26. Sorry if I had that wrong. This is the color Crimson, and this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is like a maroon color, and I absolutely love it. Again, this looks a little different on the camera, to be honest with you. It almost looks more pink, but yeah, because I can see myself through the camera, so it doesn't really look like the color it looks like in person, but I definitely like it. It'll look good for some Christmas pictures for sure. So there's Crimson. Okay, now to the 2 big ones. I got 2 of the 53 inch. Ooh. And this one is the color Sand. I really like this. Ooh. I love this color. This looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now again, this one is a bigger one, so it'll definitely cover a lot more. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to use this one. So that is Sand. Yeah. So that one's awesome. I cannot wait to use that one. It looks so pretty. Okay. And this is the last one. I am so excited about this one. It's going to go really good with the yellow. I hope it looks as good in person as it did online. And it is this beautiful orange. And this one is called Tangelo, I believe. It's also in the 53 inch. But yeah, it is so pretty. Again, this one and the yellow, they're both a lot more vibrant in the camera than they are, in my opinion, in person. but they look so awesome. Like, I'm so excited to use these. So I'm going to unwrap these and I'm going to set them up on my backdrop stand, which is actually above me, but it's so big that it's out of the frame. So we're gonna see what these look like. My cat broke my beauty dish, so I apologize for the harsh shadows. I'm using a softbox and I really don't like how these shadows look, but I only have one light right now because I'm still moving into my apartment, so it is not perfect. But I will come back and I will have each of these behind me so you can see what they all look like. You know, doing kind of like side by side, I mean, that would be a pretty cool look too. So I mean, something different to turn it up and, you know, do something a little bit different. So here is my review. They were, what did I say, I paid $29.99 plus shipping for the big backdrops, and then I paid $15.99 plus shipping for the small backdrops. I think that's a great price. I definitely say you can't really beat it. There's a variety of colors. I definitely want to get more in the future. I literally was trying so hard not to break the bank because there were so many colors that I wanted that I will eventually hopefully get. So we'll see how that goes. I eventually want to get some of the beiges and see how those photograph. So as of right now, I definitely love these and I will be using more of them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm definitely getting new videos out, and I'm actually going to even be straying away a little bit from the photography. Not 100%, of course, because that's my main channel, you know, main things that I do. But I will be doing some unboxings. So that's going to be new. That's going to be something for you guys to see. So if you guys have any questions or you want to see anything else, just put them in the comments below and I'll definitely try to make those videos. I'll see y'all on my next one.